To turn on or off flashlight in OnePlus 13, basically for this feature on this phone, sky is a limit. So there's so many options. I'm just gonna go and show you a few of them. So first we can swipe our finger from top of the screen, and then in the quick access panel we should be able to find a flashlight. And for me, it's not here, as you can see. No, it is. There's a flashlight right here. If you don't have it, you can edit those styles and bring it up here. So now, as you can see, it's activated, and if we click on it, it deactivates. Now let me show you additional options like gestures. So if we move to our settings right here and then look for the accessibility and convenience, we should be able to find a gestures and motions. Inside of it, we can find screen off gestures, and there's a draw V to turn on flashlight. And when you lock your screen and draw V, it will turn on or off your flashlight as well. And let's lock it down, draw V. Okay. It's on. And now it's off. So that was the two ways that I found pretty easy to enable that flashlight, and this would be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching.